time can love do anything to me that would be heavy, nor harmful, nor troubling? For now it gives me such worthy help that it restores my losses and the damages I took rightly for my folly. And if any day it made me grieve in anything, now I forgive it, the torment and the damage. For to such a lady it makes my prayers welcome, from whom I'm repaid for all it made me suffer. Very gently it knew how to part my heart from others and join to her all my desires. The day love made you come hesitant toward the beautiful one. From her beautiful eyes, a courtly appearance entered into my heart, so that never since could I turn it elsewhere. Then I knew the eyes were messengers of love. To my heart came cold and heat, joy and worry, boldness and fear. That fright and that fear so refined my heart without any deceit, that never since was the sight of another a pleasure to me, nor all that I had seen before. So much I found her free and a beautiful estate, humble in all I saw her do and say, that she's made me wild toward all others, for no other in the world do I covet or desire, but only her whom love made me choose. Yeah, for her I wanna serve all ladies and be man and friend and companion to them, and advance their good worth and give thanks and honor and praise in my songs. Saving loyalty to her who holds the lordship, I cry for mercy, the beautiful pleasure not be taken from me. One must find mercy among the best, there where worth and value are riches. And it's right for heartfelt lovers, despite the rich, envious, evil-speaking ones, that in their love riches don't rule. For one heart can't be in two lovers. Pure love makes itself equal with rank, and rank must not destroy love until pride gets it in its power. Let each guard against failing the other, for thus they'll enjoy their love. Beautiful without deceit, a lover must take damage when he's well and seeks evil elsewhere, for so love commands it.